Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to use paste special effectively in Excel. In our previous video we have already learned how to use paste command in Excel. Now there might be a question in your mind, what is the difference between paste command and this paste special command? Yes, your question is absolutely valid, but there is a huge difference between paste command and paste special command. So what is this difference? We will learn through this video. Before moving towards our main topic, we should know where we can find the paste special command. There are three methods to find the paste special command. So first, we have to click anywhere and copy the data which we wish to paste. So here as an example, I have click on the cell E16 and copy the data. There is no data available in this cell, but just for your reference, I have copied this cell. The first method is go to Home tab. Under Clipboard Group, you will find Paste command. This already we have seen in our previous video. But if we look carefully, you will find downward pointed arrow available under the Paste command. Click on this and at the bottom you will find Paste Special option. So once we click on this Paste Special option, you will find the Paste Special commands. Our next method is copy the data which we have already copied, then click anywhere on the blank cell, but keep in mind you have to use mouse right click. Then under available option you have to expand this paste special option, and again at the bottom you will find paste special command. Once we click on this, you will find paste special commands appear on your screen. Third method, we can find this paste special command by using keyboard shortcut. You have to press Alt key, E key and S key. Once we press the Alt ES, you will find again the paste special dialog box will appear on our screen. Now, if we look carefully on this paste special dialog box, all these paste special comments are categorized into three categories. First category is paste category, second category is operation category, and in the third category there are only two options available, that is skip, blanks and transpose. But don't worry, I will explain you all these options one by one in this video. But before this explanation, let me explain the original data which I have already prepared so that we can save the time which we can or which we do not want to spend in the creation of the data. So this data is for the products mobile, laptops, television, speaker and smartwatch. These are all the electronic items. I have listed the price of each product here, then the volume the user or customer purchased and the total price. So the formatting, I have applied various colors, plus I have applied border also. Then under product column I have here applied the drop down list. Under the price column I have applied the number formatting, that is custom number formatting. Don't worry about this formatting, I am just explaining so that you will find very easy in our later topics. Then under volume I have just inserted the numbers randomly, and then under the total price I have used formula which you can see in the formula bar, that this formula is the multiplication of price and volume. So the same data I have copied and pasted one by one so that I can explain you effectively all the paste special options. Now we will move towards our main topic, that is first category from the paste special, that is paste category. So our first option is paste special all. Under this option we can copy the entire data as it is. What do you mean by as it is? As it is means all the formatting style, the comments, number formats and formula will get copied to the desired location as it is. So let's see how to do this. First, select this data, then copy, select our desired location, and under paste special option we have to select all option and click on OK button. Yes, you can see here the data will get copied as it is, all the formatting, drop down list, then here comment, number formats and the formula will get copied as it is. Hence it is called as all. Our next option is special formulas. Here what we will get, let's see. First we will copy the original data, then go to special. Sorry, I forgot to select the desired location. First I will select the desired location, then go to paste special and we will select now the second option, formulas. You can see that all the formatting, then here drop down list, comment which is available for the television product in the original data will get disappeared, but only formula will get copied. Correct? So by using paste special formulas option, we can copy only formulas from the original location to the desired location. Now our third option is paste special values. So let's see how it works. Copy, then select the desired location, paste special and values. In this option also all the formatting style, drop down list, number formatting as well as the formulas will get disappeared. Why? Because we have pasted the data in a special way which will paste the data from original location to the desired location by using only values. So you can find the difference between these paste special formulas and paste special values is that under paste special formulas, formulas will get copied as it is from the original to desired location, but under values formulas will get disappeared and the output of that formula, that is value of that formula, will get pasted here. Our next option is paste special formats. So let's see how it works. Select the data, copy, then select desired location. Under paste special we have to select formats option. Yes, under this option only formats from the original location will get copied and pasted to the desired location. No data, no comments, no drop down list, no formulas will get pasted to the desired location. Only formats will get pasted. Our next option is comments. Here we can find in the original data for the product television, I have mentioned one comment that this is highest price product. So let's see how this paste special comments will work. First, select and copy the data. Then select the desired location. Go to paste special and then comments. You can see all the data formatting style will get disappeared. Only comment will get pasted to the desired location. All other data will get disappeared. Then our next option is paste special validation. Here we can see I have created data validation, that is drop down list for the products. So first we will select the data, then copy, select the desired location. Under paste special I will select validation. So you can see that no any data or formatting will get appear here, but only only data validation, that is drop down list, will get appear here. You can see if I click on the drop down list, the drop down which are already available in the original location will get pasted to the desired location as it is. Our next option is paste special all using source theme. So for this, what we will do, the main function of this space special all using source theme is that many times there are multiple themes are available to the different Excel sheets or different Excel files. So we can find the current theme of our Excel sheet is office, but I have already opened here another Excel sheet. So what we will do, we will convert the theme from office to IN. What happened? Our data will remain as it is, but the formatting style and font, then color and all will get changed. So if we copy the data from the another theme to this theme, the formatting will get changed. But we do not want to change the formatting style of our original data. So in this case, we can copy the data from our original theme, then here select the desired location and under home tab, paste special, you can select all using source theme. You can find the difference. This is the data with our source theme and this is the data which we have already converted into the new theme. So this is the main function of this paste special all using source theme. Now our next option is paste special all except borders. So we will see how it will work. First select and copy the data, select the desired location, then under paste special select the option all except borders. So you can see that all the data will get copied as it is except borders. Our next option is paste special column width. So in this option, the column width of original data will get copied as it is. So let's see how it will work. First select the data, then copy, select desired location, under paste special select the option column width. So you can see that all the columns, width of all the columns for this specific 5 columns got automatically adjusted. So data will not get copied, formatting will not get copied, only column widths will get copied. So our next option is, I will again adjust the column width so that it will look perfect. Now our next option is paste special formulas and number formats. So in our original data, we have already applied formulas to this column and number format to this column. So what is the number format for this column? We will see here under number group. This is custom format. So this custom number format as well as these formulas will get copied as it is. So first select the data, copy, select desired location, then under paste special we have to select formulas and number formats. Yes, you can see formulas will get copied as it is. You can check in the formula bar, as well as under number format you can check the yes custom format, custom number format is pasted as it is. Now our next option is paste special values and number format. So here what will this function do? Let's see. Select the data, copy, select the desired location, under paste special we have to select values and number format. So here the formula which appeared in the previous option will get disappear. You can check in the formula bar, only values we can see, but with the values number format will remain as it is. Our next option is paste special all merging conditional formats. It means here in the original data I have applied conditional formatting. You can see the green highlighted cells. So I have applied conditional formatting for the values which are greater than 3 lakhs. So all the values which are greater than 3 lakhs will get highlighted with the green color. as per the conditional formatting. So let's see how this option will work. First select the data, then copy, select desired location. Under paste special, you can find all merging conditional formats. Yes, the conditional formatting will get copied as it is under this option. Now we have completed our first category, that is paste. Now we will move towards our next category, that is operations. Operations are very familiar to us. Since childhood we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division for the numbers. But how we can perform these operations by using paste special? So I have created one original data here that are some random values and operation value. Operation value is the value which we have to add or subtract or or multiply or divide. Correct? So what we will do, I will explain you how we can perform this operation by using paste special. So to perform this operation by using paste special, we have to select the value which we have to perform the operations. So in this case, our operation value is 2. So we have to copy this value and we have to select all the cells on which we have to perform the value. That is our desired location. Then under paste special, we have to click on the add button and then hit OK. You can now see that these two value will get added to the each number. Similarly, to perform subtract operation, we have to select the operation value, then copy this value, then select the desired location. Under paste special, we will select subtract and hit OK. You can see that this two value will get subtracted from the original values. Similar method we will follow for the multiply. Click and copy the operation value. Select the desired location. Under paste special, we will select multiply and hit OK. You can see that all these original values will get multiplied by the operation value. Then again same method for divide. Select the operation value, copy this value, select the desired location. Under paste special, we have to select divide. Yes, the result will get appear here. All the original values will get divided by the operation value. So this is how we can perform the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by using paste special. Now our last method or last category is skip blanks and transpose. So what is the skip blanks? Here I have original data and this is I have desired data. Means I want to copy this data into this data but skipping the blank cells. So the blank cells which I have highlighted with the yellow color. So if we perform normal paste operation, we can see that the all the values along with blank cells will get pasted as it is, but we do not want to perform in this way. We have to just, let me redo this action, we have to just copy all the non-blank cells. Means we have to copy the data from original location by skipping blank cells to the desired location. So how we can perform this operation? First select the data from original location, copy, then under select the desired location. Under paste special, we have to click the option skip blanks. So we can see that all the data except blank cells only will get pasted to the desired location. You can find the original values and pasted values with the help of these arrows. All the blank cells are skipped while pasting the data. Now our last option is transpose. Transpose means converting rows into columns and columns into rows. So how we can perform this transpose operation with the help of this paste special? Let's see. First select the entire original data, then select copy command. Next select desired location, then under paste special click on the transpose and click OK. You can find that all these columns are converted into rows. It means rows are converted into columns and columns are converted into rows. It means our data, our original data will get transposed with the help of these special options. I hope I have explained all the paste special categories or paste special options one by one very effectively, and I hope you will find it useful. That's all from this video. Thank you and have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.